Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about how can we turn off guys auto brightness in our lava phone. Guys, you want to off your auto brightness setting in your lava phone. So how can you turn off guys your auto brightness in your lava phone? In this video guys I will show you. So before starting video fan, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon and like my video. So when first of all open your phone setting to turn off guys your auto brightness setting. Then guys scroll friends, you can see your display setting friends, tap here. Friends, you can see guys your adaptive brightness setting means brightness setting friends, tap here. So as you can see guys, your auto brightness setting guys you want to off, so you can off from this right side. So your screen brightness will not automatically adjust to your environment guys. So like that guys, you can turn off your auto brightness guys. Your brightness will not increase and decrease automatic in your lava phone after off auto brightness. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. We will meet on next video with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like the video, subscribe the channel. Bye bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.